welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So we're still in quarantine, yeah, but I am attempting to make the most of it. I did my makeup again. This took me a long time to do because this is what I would consider like kind of glamish, and I haven't done glam makeup in Lord knows how long. So anyways, felt like getting a little bit glammed up for today, but as you can notice, my hair is straight. It is not styled. It is got nothing going on. So we're gonna fix that today because I'm gonna be reviewing a new hair product by Chi. That's right, it is their new limited edition spin and curl. So this is the big product we're working with today. I have yet to take it out of the box. It looks really cool. I've only seen one girl use it, honestly, because I wanted to see how the heck it works. I really am not 100% sure how it works. I have no doubt we'll figure it out today in this video. But yeah, I wanted to keep it in the box to show y'all how it comes. It's gorgeously packaged. I love Chi hair care products. I've been using them since I was about 14 years old, so literally almost a decade now. And they are just one of those tried and true, like always working type of brands. So if you are ready to learn how to curl your hair using Chi's new Spin and Curl Curler, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below before we get started. Now let's do this. Okay, so before we get started, I just wanted to tell y'all what products we're going to be using in today's video. So obviously the Chi Spin and Curl Curler, I did want to show y'all what it looks like out of the box. It's really beautiful. I have the mint colored one, and then I'm going to be using two other products. So one is the Infra Texture Spray by Chi as well, and the other one is the Style and Stay Spray by Chi. So we're Chiing it up. I even wore a red jumpsuit. I don't know if you can tell, I mean, you can see that, but I wore a red jumpsuit to get in the theme of today's video. So we're all decked out in red, and I'm going to turn this on. I already have it plugged in here, and we're going to style our hair, get that perfect beach wave with the spin and curl. So there's 4 buttons on here. One is the on button. So it instantly turns to 360, and then it starts heating up from 59 degrees. And then they have a plus or minus sign, which obviously lets you manually raise the heat or lower it. The M, from my experience just fiddling around with it right now, is, I would guess, means medium, because it put it right in the middle temperature. So then from here I can adjust the heat. So I just got out of the shower. I did nothing but blow dry my hair. I didn't style blow dry it. I literally flipped my head upside down and just blow dried it, which is why it's just so straight and floppy. And I straightened my little curly cues around my forehead because my hair gets really curly around my forehead, and I didn't want that to be in my finished style. So I have my spin and curl set to 360 degrees, and before I get started with all that, I'm just gonna shoot my entire head with the Style and Stay Spray. This is an iron guard as well. You really don't want to be using heated tools without some kind of a heat protectant spray. This stuff is very damaging to your hair. Although our hair looks beautiful when we're done using it, whether it's a curling iron or a flat iron, definitely want to make sure to use some kind of a heat protectant spray, whether it's Chi's or a different brand. I have found that Chi's works absolutely fabulously. I also like the Foxy Bay one that I've reviewed in my past Foxy Bay videos, but just use a heat protectant spray if you're going to use a heated product. So I'm just gonna kind of go in and shoot my whole head. I kind of forget to spray my hair if I don't do my whole head like right at the beginning, which is why I just do my whole head first, because if I do piece by piece, I usually end up forgetting. Oh, another thing with Chi's sprays is they smell fantastic. Like my whole room smells literally like a flower right now. So this, I believe, is heated up. This outer part, by the way, never gets hot because the hot barrel is on the inside, so you can always touch this. So it says to put this closed side near your head, so this open side faces away. And then once your hair is in the curl, it beeps to let you know, like, hey, it's been in here long enough, and then you just pull it out. It does not clamp your hair down. It does not pull your hair, so you don't have to worry about your hair getting stuck in here. It literally just has a machine that spins in circles inside the barrel. So I'm gonna start with my bang, the easiest part of my hair. And we'll see how this works. It has 2 little turning buttons. So let's see, I want it to turn away from my face. So put it in here. Oh, okay. So this is my bang. It's kind of shorter here, so I think it's, there we go. It's grabbing my hair. It's having an interesting time grabbing my hair. This is actually a lot easier than like a curling iron or wand, just like, cause I don't have to hold my hair up here. I can just like chill down here. And then it's supposed to beep when it's done. That was the beep. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Let's see what we got. Okay, that was a bang. So it's pretty short. This is actually kind of how my hair normally looks when I curl it because it's super short. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with my texturing spray just to give it a little grippy hold. And now I'm gonna go in with a longer piece. See how we can do with that. I need a brush ASAP. I'll do that after this piece. Okay. Whoa, that was awesome. It just sucked my hair right in. That was awesome. Okay, it's a lot cooler with like longer pieces of hair. This works really well with longer hair. I mean, my bang looks cute. Oh, there was the beep. Okay. Pull it out. Okay. That's actually really pretty. I am gonna need to like tassel my hair after this, but that's really pretty. So I'm gonna spray that. So I will say this machine takes getting used to. Like, as you can tell, I'm kind of like, whoa. So I'm gonna do my whole head. I'm gonna do a few more pieces slow, just so y'all can see, and then I'm just gonna do my whole head. And honestly, since my hair is not that long and I just part it right in the center, it's a very simple layered haircut. I'm just picking up piece by piece. There's no like structured way I'm doing it here. And the way I do it works. If you are in like a super hurry and you just need to like curl, just piece by piece, that works. And if you want to take the time to like section off your hair, which I've done in previous videos, you can do that as well. But today I'm just gonna kind of do piece by piece around my hair. So this does rotate both ways. It has the buttons for the barrel to spin. So just so you know, you want to rotate your hair away from your face. So make sure when you are picking up your pieces of hair that you're pressing the correct spinning direction to make sure you rotate that hair away from your face. Okay. There we go. And it does not pull. Like, I press it about 3 times to get my entire length of hair in the barrel. Because you want to curl your entire hair up to your scalp. It doesn't pull. Like, say you need it to curl. Oh, it beeped. Let it go. Okay. So say you needed to have it pull in about this much more, but its natural pull pulls like this much hair at once. It won't rip your hair out of your scalp if it pulls the extra amount. Your hair will just slide and it won't pull it anymore. So don't worry, this is not a dangerous device. It's just a new device that we need to get used to. And sizes of hair like this, like the one I'm pulling right now, I would not recommend any bigger than this. Okay, so that's in the barrel. This definitely takes getting used to, not even gonna lie there. It is an interesting product, interesting concept, but it's making my curls look pretty good. So look at that. That's like a perfect curl right there. I'm definitely anxious to see what my whole head looks like when I'm done with this. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this side. Again, remember I'm gonna like flip it over and shake it out and tassel it and style it after this to make it look pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my next side so we can zip by it and then talk about the machine and how I thought it worked. Now that I am a little bit more comfortable with it, I am going to up the heat to 390, just so you know, to see if we can't get an even better curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side, and yeah, we're gonna get there real fast. Okay, this side versus this side. So first off, I'm a little bit more comfortable with it. This was the first curl I ever did with this machine, and I turned the heat up, and this is like a curl. So I am gonna go back and get a few pieces after I'm done with this side, on this side, that I need a little froof up with, but that's a curl, y'all. That is a curl. Okay, so I am getting a little better with this machine already. Like, it's just grabbing the curl immediately and doing its thing. There isn't like hair falling out. Like, I can feel it grabbing and holding the hair. So all this machine takes is a little bit of practice, y'all. Oh my gosh. That's like a Shirley Temple ringlet curl. Holy smokes. I cannot wait to brush this out and kind of style it and see what my hair does. But I will say this product just needs some practice. Since there's really nothing else like it, just take some practice. Alright guys, as y'all can tell, this side is a lot curlier than this side. So 100%. This product takes a little getting used to. I guarantee you'll probably mess up the first few curls you do with it, but that's okay. It's a learning curve. I'm gonna go back in and recurl a few of these just to give them the same volume of curl that this side has, because this side's like popping. Every curl on this side is a curl. So I'm just gonna do a few and then try to style my hair a little bit and see how it turns out. Okay, so those were the curls that I mainly wanted to hit, those two in the front. So I will say a little tip that I learned while doing this is it's much easier to get the whole curl in here once you put the hair down and pull it down like as far to the front as you can, because then the machine can grab your hair better. That's why I wasn't grabbing these first few hairs I did, because I was like, where do I put the hair? But this whole side, I like pulled it down into the front part of this, and all the curls turned out perfectly. And then when I did it on this side, it fixed them again. So just a little tip in doing this. Again, this barrel is not hot, so you can touch this whole thing against your head, your hand, like you're not gonna burn yourself. And this is a really cool concept because it basically takes the curling part out of the equation. You just need to put your hair in it. Like, I mean, curling your hair is already pretty simple, but if you are just one of those people that couldn't get it and it's just, you don't care to even learn how to do it, but you would like your hair to still be pretty and curled, this is your device. You don't even need to know how to curl your hair because the machine does it for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush these out and try to style it and see how the curls actually turn out. I get the feeling they're gonna be perfect because the curls are actually really pretty perfect themselves. And I've already used all the product I wanted to. The heat protectant spray added a little bit of grip. And then the texturizing spray, this one in particular, is a texturizing spray and it is a dual action flexible hairspray. So it's not one of those hairsprays that gets really crunchy and super solid. It's not like a helmet head type of hairspray. It's still like a flexible one where you can move your hair around, which is why I wanted to use it, because now other than teasing my hair if I were to choose to do so. That would be all I have to do. I don't need any more product. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and run my fingers through my hair and try to mess these up and maybe even brush out a few curls. And we're gonna see how this works. So pardon me while I flip my hair upside down. Okay. Oh my God. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is probably gonna be one of my new favorite curling irons because this kind of, I feel like it gives more of a wand look. Now the difference between a curling iron and a curling wand, if you're wondering, is a wand, like you wrap your hair around it. It doesn't have a clamp and it gives you more of a beachy wave, and a curling iron gives you more of an actual curled look. So beach waves are a little bit more natural looking. It's a faster process, I feel like. So, you know, you can still have a styled hairdo look, but you can go to the beach and not feel sad that like your curls that probably took you a long time to do are gonna get messed up. So this has a much more beach wave to it. I am absolutely in love with my hair. Holy smokes. That took me, what, about 10 minutes to do, and with these products as well. It has the perfect texture. It's gonna hold all day. It has a nice like stick and crunch to it, but I can still run my fingers through my hair, and I'm feeling pretty beautiful on this quarantine day. Too bad I don't have anywhere to go because I feel gorgeous right now. So I'm gonna turn around and show you all the back. I actually don't even know what the back looks like, but if it looks like the front, it looks fabulous. So I think it's safe to say I love this product. This is my new favorite curling product. That was a fast choice, but this product freaking works. I'm actually shocked. I was a little confused on how it was really actually gonna work and like why this was created, because it's like there's plenty of curling irons and curling wands out there to get a curl. So why do we need another one? But I thought, you know, Chi usually doesn't mess up on this stuff. So they hit the nail on the head with this. This is super easy to use. I do believe it comes in a few different colors. So I have the mint one like y'all see. I do think they have a few other colors if you want that. But I would definitely recommend this product. I feel gorgeous right now. Honestly, I wish I had somewhere to go. I have attached the 3 products that I use in this video down below. I really wanted to make this video about this product, but I can't go on without saying I highly recommend these guys to get this exact look, because the amount of texture and crunch is like perfect to hold this all day and have it look pretty and bouncy and curly all day. So this duo gives for this exact look that really is just like that effortless curl. It looks like you don't have anything in your hair, yet you have a lot keeping it nice and held for the whole day, as well as it has been protected from all of the heat and the damaging parts of any heating tool will do to your hair. So my hair is very happy and thankful that I use these products. Plus they are a really good duo to accomplish this look. So all of these products are gonna be down below. I am so excited that this product worked so well. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this spinning curler from Chi. Like, hit the nail on the head. I feel like I'm a broken record right now, just like repeating myself. So I'm gonna stop. But if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message in the comments below or message me on Instagram. It's right here. I have also attached my Instagram link in the description box below, so definitely communicate with me that way. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!